This video contains affiliate links, and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned, at no extra cost to you, because they're the best in the industry. Today, I'm going to show you 13 machines that can launch real businesses, from food to fashion, printing to packaging. These aren't just cool gadgets. They're tools that pay for themselves and help you build income fast. Whether you've got a garage, a small room, or just weekends free, there's something here for you. So, let's dive into the smartest business machines that turn small investments into serious profits. 1. Snack sealing and packing machine. Investment: $600 to $8,000. This machine is a total game changer if you're ready to turn snacks into a real brand. Whether you're making chips, popcorn, nuts, or protein bites, this machine fills and seals your product into professional-grade packaging. You can start with a simple tabletop version or go all in with a fully automated line. Perfect for farmers markets, gyms, stores, and even online platforms like Amazon. ROI tip: bags cost as little as 10 cents, and you can sell for $2 to $6. Build a loyal customer base and grow from side hustle to snack empire. 2. Equipment rental for events. Investment: $1,500 to $3,000. This is the weekend business that pays well and practically runs itself. Start by renting out popcorn machines, cotton candy carts, bounce houses, speakers, whatever fits your target customers. You're not tied down. Deliver the equipment, pick it up after, and cash in. Schools, birthdays, corporate events, there's always demand. ROI tip: each item rents for $50 to $200 per day. Start part-time, scale to full-time. 3. Automatic clothes folding machine. Investment: $1,800 to $4,000. This smart machine folds shirts, towels, and pants in seconds, perfect every time. Originally for hotels, now it's a home-based business solution. You can offer laundry folding services to busy professionals, Airbnb hosts, or boutique hotels. Just pick up clothes, fold with the machine, and return them. ROI tip: charge $1 to $2 per item or offer subscription plans. Great for those who want a hands-free, high-efficiency business model. 4. Screen printing press. Investment: from $320. Turn your creativity into cash with this compact screen printer. Make original designs for t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, whatever you like, and sell online or at local markets. This business fits in a garage and scales easily as you grow your catalog or take on custom client work. ROI tip: sell your designs directly or partner with local brands and influencers to produce limited edition runs. 5. Heat press for all surfaces. Investment: from $200. This versatile heat press allows you to print on aprons, towels, mugs, plates, and more. Whether you're customizing gifts or creating decor, this machine gives your items a polished, store-quality finish. ROI tip: create theme sets for holidays or events and sell on Etsy, Instagram, or your own store. 6. Holographic advertising backpacks. Investment: from $100. Want to catch everyone's attention on the street? These backpacks project 3D holograms while your team walks around. Use them for advertising services or rent them out to other brands. ROI tip: pair the visuals with flyer distribution or QR codes for promos. This is guerrilla marketing at its flashiest. 7. Handmade paper business. Investment: about $175. Here's a business with low overhead and high artistic value. Make handmade paper for cards, invitations, or even notebooks, right from your home. Just use old paper, a blender, and a press, and start turning trash into treasure. ROI tip: sell directly or supply local artists and stationery shops. Add herbs, paint, or gold leaf for premium value. 8. Unique waffle maker. Investment: from $180. Stand out in the food business with this unique waffle maker that creates fish-shaped snacks filled with sweet or savory fillings. Add toppings or food coloring for extra wow. Ideal for food courts, kiosks, or festivals. ROI tip: high customer curiosity factor means high foot traffic. Use social media to make it go viral. Number 9. Light boxes with AI-generated art. Investment: from $90. These vibrant wall-mounted light boxes are perfect for cafes, salons, and shopping centers. Use AI to generate themed images and create cozy, Instagram-worthy settings. ROI tip: sell custom designs to businesses or rent them as ambient decor. 10. Chips making machine. Investment from $500. This machine makes potato or banana chips in unique shapes and flavors. Sell in small packs or to local cafes and food courts. ROI tip: low ingredient costs and high markups. Great for local branding and healthy snack markets. 11. Centrifugal casting machine for fishing lures. Investment from $300. If you're into fishing or just want to serve that niche, this machine helps you make silicone lures in bright, fish-attracting colors. ROI tip: sell to anglers online or through tackle shops. Niche market but high demand for good gear. 12. Packaging tape printer. Investment from $300. Custom printed tapes for cakes, gifts, or branding. This machine prints greetings, logos, and more onto tape. ROI tip: offer it as an upsell to bakers or event planners. 13. Tile laying tool. Investment around $110. If you're already in construction or tiling, this machine is a great upgrade. It helps lay tiles faster and more evenly, saving labor and time. ROI tip: not a full business on its own, but a solid investment for speeding up existing work and taking on more jobs. So, which machine got you thinking, I could start that this week? Whether you're folding laundry for professionals or sealing snacks to build your own brand, these machines prove that opportunity is everywhere. If you found a business idea worth trying, drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your pick. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart business breakdowns like this one. Until next time, keep building, keep earning, and stay ahead of the game.